21 Things Men Desperately Want in a Relationship. Unraveling the mystery of what men truly want in a relationship can often seem like a daunting task. With societal stereotypes and misconceptions clouding our understanding, it's easy to misinterpret their desires as complex or even elusive. However, when we strip away these misleading layers and delve into the heart of the matter, we find an illuminating truth: men's needs in a relationship are quite straightforward. Much like everyone else, men yearn for emotional connections that are deeply rooted in mutual respect and love. They crave acceptance for who they are, cherishing those moments of fun and intimacy that make a relationship truly meaningful. In essence, the male desire in a relationship is not about complexity, but about sincerity, authenticity, and a deep-seated longing for a genuine connection. Here we'll explore the top 21 things that men desperately want in a relationship, giving you a better insight into the male psyche and how to cultivate a more meaningful connection. Number 1. Physical connection. Men often perceive physical touch as a significant expression of love and affection in a relationship. Even the simplest gestures, such as running your fingers through his hair or lightly touching his cheek, can communicate your feelings more powerfully than words. These small acts not only foster a deeper emotional connection, but also help to solidify and strengthen the bond between you two. Number 2. Respect. Recognition and praise are vital for men in a relationship. When their efforts are acknowledged, it boosts their confidence and gives them a sense of competency. This validation not only makes them feel appreciated, but also reinforces their commitment and dedication to the relationship. Number 3. Honesty. For most men, trust and honesty are the cornerstones of a successful relationship. They seek partners who they can implicitly trust, creating a foundation of confidence in their relationship. This complete trust fosters an environment where open communication and transparency thrive, leading to deeper connections and mutual respect. Number 4. Playfulness. Men greatly value the ability of their partners to embrace playful moments, as it brings a sense of lightness and joy to the relationship. These shared moments of fun and laughter can create lasting memories and deepen their bond. Furthermore, it helps keep the relationship vibrant and exciting, adding a layer of enjoyment that enhances overall relationship satisfaction. Number 5. Seduction. A healthy sexual relationship holds significant value for men, serving as an essential component of emotional intimacy. The act of being desired by their partner boosts their self-esteem and makes them feel attractive. This shared physical connection not only fulfills their need for affection, but also contributes to a stronger and more fulfilling relationship overall. Number 6. To feel like a hero. For many men, feeling needed and important in their relationships is a key aspect of their self-worth. They derive satisfaction from being able to protect and provide for their loved ones, viewing these roles as integral parts of their identity. This sense of responsibility not only strengthens their bond with their partners, but also gives them a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Number 7. Acceptance. Men, like anyone else, yearn for acceptance in their truest form, without the fear of judgment or pressure to alter their authentic selves. They value partners who appreciate them for their individuality and unique qualities. This sense of acceptance nurtures a safe space in the relationship where they can express themselves freely and feel understood. Number 8. Communication. Men highly value transparency in their relationships, and they don't appreciate being kept in the dark about significant issues. They respect open and honest communication, seeing it as a cornerstone for building trust and understanding. This clear exchange of thoughts and feelings allows them to connect on a deeper level with their partners, fostering a stronger and more meaningful bond. Number 9. Confidence. Men are often drawn to women who exude confidence and passion, as these traits reflect a positive self-image and a vivacious approach to life. They find the self-assured nature of such women captivating, as it signifies strength and independence. Moreover, a woman's passion, be it for her career, hobbies, or life in general, adds an intriguing layer to her persona, making her even more attractive. Number 10. Emotional intimacy. Men, much like women, crave deep emotional connections in their relationships. They desire to be understood, to have their feelings acknowledged and validated by their partners. This sense of being cared for not only strengthens the bond between them, but also offers a comforting assurance of their significance in the relationship. Number 11. Space. While men cherish the closeness and intimacy they share with their partners, they equally appreciate having their personal space and time respected. This balance allows them to recharge, pursue their individual interests, and maintain a sense of self-identity. Recognizing this need for autonomy can contribute to a healthier, more harmonious relationship, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Number 12. Admiration. Men, like anyone else, appreciate being admired and having their accomplishments acknowledged by their partners. This recognition not only boosts their self-esteem, but also reinforces their sense of worth within the relationship. It cultivates a stronger bond between partners, fostering mutual respect and admiration. Number 13. Support. Men truly appreciate a partner who stands by them, supporting their ambitions and dreams. This support not only gives them the strength to face challenges, but also fosters a sense of partnership and shared growth. It creates a nurturing environment in the relationship where both individuals can flourish and achieve their full potential. Number 14, kindness. Men greatly appreciate simple acts of kindness as it signifies genuine care for their well-being. These small gestures can make them feel treasured and loved, strengthening the bond in the relationship. Moreover, it communicates that their happiness and comfort are of paramount importance, which can be incredibly heartwarming and reassuring. Number 15, loyalty. Loyalty is a foundational aspect that men deeply value in a relationship. They appreciate a partner who stands by them, not just in the good times, but more importantly during the challenging ones. This unwavering commitment fosters trust, builds a strong bond, and provides a sense of security that is essential for a healthy and lasting relationship. Number 16, independence. Men often admire women who maintain their individuality, interests, and social circles outside of the relationship. This independence can be appealing as it signifies a well-rounded person who brings a unique perspective and experiences into the relationship. Moreover, such a balance between personal and shared spaces can contribute to a healthier, more dynamic, and fulfilling partnership. Number 17, understanding. Men deeply appreciate it when their partners make an effort to understand their perspectives and emotions. This empathetic approach fosters open communication, promotes emotional intimacy, and conveys a sense of respect for their individual experiences. Moreover, it demonstrates a commitment to resolving conflicts in a constructive manner, which is crucial for the longevity and health of the relationship. Number 18, patience. Men, like all individuals, are prone to making mistakes and highly value a partner who shows patience in such instances. This patience signifies understanding, compassion, and acceptance, which can help them learn and grow without the fear of criticism or rejection. Moreover, a patient partner can create an environment of safety and trust, paving the way for a more open and resilient relationship. Number 19, companionship. Men often seek a partner who can also be their best friend, someone they can trust and confide in through life's various twists and turns. This companionship implies a deep bond of understanding, shared experiences, and mutual support, enriching the relationship beyond romantic love. Moreover, having a partner as a best friend can foster a sense of togetherness and resilience, making both the joys and challenges of life more meaningful and manageable. Number 20, fun. Men greatly value the ability to share moments of fun and laughter with their partners, as these shared experiences can significantly strengthen the bond between them. The joy derived from such moments not only lightens the atmosphere but also fosters a sense of camaraderie and mutual understanding. Moreover, shared laughter can serve as a powerful buffer against stress and conflict, helping couples navigate life's challenges with positivity and resilience. Number 21, love. Above all else, men seek authentic love in a relationship, a love that is both giving and receiving, making them feel cherished and cared for. This genuine affection provides them with a sense of security and fulfillment, assuring them that they are valued for who they are. Furthermore, feeling cherished fosters a deep emotional connection, enabling men to express themselves freely and fostering a strong, healthy, and long-lasting relationship. Final thoughts. Understanding these 21 things that men want in a relationship can help create a stronger, more fulfilling bond. Remember, communication is key. Each person is unique, so it's essential to discuss each other's needs and desires openly. By doing so, we can better understand our partners and cultivate relationships that are both enriching and satisfying. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.